Hi, and welcome to Anne-Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie, and I like to make things. This is my Friday sews for the first week of June. Now, I realized when I made this video that I have not released my June plans video. I think I forgot. So I'll try and rectify that so you'll understand why some of the things I'm doing this Friday. I checked the Facebook group to see what the forum question was about Friday sews. It's not up yet, so I guess we'll just riff and do random stuff. But there's so much going on. Since I came back, I got myself situated for June. I cleaned up my space, pulled some things that I wanted to work on, which are in my planning video. But this week I actually worked on some things. And one of the big things I decided to do was scale back a bit. Now, I love to sew, and I realize I get great pleasure from sew relaxation, and I use it like when I'm watching movies and talking to friends and everything. But I've been popping out about 20-something garments a month, and I still may be doing that. It's just that I thought I'm not writing as much as I used to. I write children's books and get into all sorts of other mischief. As a librarian, I do book reviews and stuff like that for young adults. So I thought, maybe if I just plan for 10 or 11 outfits, I'm still probably going to make 20. But that would make me come up with a better schedule. And I did kind of come up with a better schedule for how I want to run my workshops. All right, so I'm in my jams because this is the time of day, the beginning of the day, when I really get a lot of my sewing in. And then I, the rest of the day I take care of my dad for a bit, and then I do household things, and then in the afternoon I'm gonna try to get back to writing a bit, and then making dinner, and then the evening is free for whatever I want to do, which if I want to come in here and sew or whatever like that. But so this month there are 2 challenges that I'm interested in, as well as my agenda of everything that I want to get done. So one of those things is t-shirt for summer 2022. I love a t-shirt, and I have this great t-shirt pattern by Hot Patterns right here. It is the fabulous blouse back tee, and I like it because it has this ruffle attachment at the back. And so it only took me an hour to sew it up. I did it yesterday. And so let's see, the front of the t-shirt I did in this beautiful stretch knit, black with the rose pattern. And then on the back for the gathered piece, I bought there was this sheer fabric that I got in Canada, in Montreal, and I just think it looks fantastic with it. I'm gonna put it on and take some pictures with it according to the, sorry, I didn't mean to make you nauseous, in the challenge, and I'll tell you more about the challenge. All right, in the challenge, I think it's Jolie. She is trying to encourage us to make our own t-shirts because buying t-shirts creates so much environmental waste. So even if we make our t-shirt, we eliminate the middleman, we cut down on the amount of environmental waste that's deposited on the planet. And that's cool with me. I love a t-shirt, and I never like a real t-shirt because I have a short neck and the crew neck. I love a t-shirt, but sometimes they don't love me. So I have a bunch of different patterns that I use to alter my t-shirt. So if I buy a t-shirt, I, cut the ring off, make it fit better, curve it in a bit, and stuff like that. So this was a delight to make. All right, so this is gonna be my entry. Now, I have another one I want to cut out, and what you can do to increase it, she has like a whole set of prizes that you can win. All you have to do is post that tagline, hashtag t-shirt for summer 2022 and tag Joey, Joei in the post that you put up on Instagram. But you can get entered several ways if you style it differently. So if I wear this with a white skirt with different jewelry, if I tuck it in with a pair of jeans, different jewelry, or whatever you're going to wear, you can get an entry, up to 3 entries in her challenge based on how you style it. Now, I did have a dilemma because I have about 2 or 3 more t-shirts, actual t-shirts. I buy them extra large and turn them into t-shirt dresses because you can make a jumpsuit, a t-shirt, or a t-shirt dress. And I like buying really great iconic with message t-shirts and stuff like that, and adding a skirt to them. It was a big look, I think, in the 90s or the 2000s. I think we wore them with Keds and little socks and stuff like that. But I don't like that look anymore to be out on the street in, but I love it around the house. They're great work dresses, when you're running around painting, gardening, do all sorts of stuff in the house, and they're cute. So I have some great shirts. I've got some great concert shirts. I've got some great personality shirts, and then I want to add a skirt to, but I don't think that fulfills the requirements of this challenge. So, and I'll show you, I'm working on one. It's got a little Biggie Smalls on it. And hold on, let me show it to you. All right, I bought this t-shirt a long time ago, Notorious B.I.G. Isn't this cute? And I've added the skirt to it that I wanted. I wanted to wear it with my white sneakers and around the house. It's not a look for me on the street anymore. I think that's another woman's thing. And but I don't think it satisfies the requirements of this challenge. I don't think you can take one of your old t-shirts and add a skirt. I think you actually have to construct the skirt like I did here and do something different with it. I have a few ideas, so you can post all during the month. So the only thing else I've been doing is, oh, here they are. These are some of they are by Pamela's Patterns, and they are different t-shirts that you can make. And I also have a pattern that what it does is it corrects, I don't know where I put it, but you can correct the t-shirt. Like for me, I don't like that crew neck. It creates this really great neckline, and it also pulls in the side, it curves the edge. And I've done that to a lot of t-shirts because we wore t-shirts regularly at school. We had a t-shirt for every event, testing, all kinds of stuff. And I wanted them to feel more like, work for me. So the other thing I'm working on is I cut out 2 of these out of the shears that I got in Montreal, and I am working on those right now. I saw this on Instagram, and if I remember, I'm gonna look and see the young lady or the woman who, she's already made it up. She made the dress up in a cream linen, and then the color block on the back is this vibrant blue, like holiday print. What a great idea. I'd already cut out 3 of these already. So when I saw hers, I thought, oh, I can't wait to sew them, but they're not in my plans for this month. So I put them aside to go on my plans for next month. It is Vogue, very easy Vogue, 9237, and I will include somewhere down here the Instagram post. The lady who I follow, who she's already made it up in a beautiful cream looking linen and with the surprise of the block in the back. Now the ones I cut out, one was an Ankara fabric that was just beautiful, phenomenal. It's in here somewhere. And then the other one, I had 2 dashiki panels, one in red and one in yellow. I have all the dashikis I can handle. I must have been collecting them over the years, so I must have at least 8 or so. And I wear them around here all the time with white pants and black leggings and stuff like that. but I was intrigued about using them to make that first panel here and the back. And so some of the combinations turned out so cool, as well as the Ankara. So it's 3 dresses, but I won't be working on them until I finish my 10 that I scheduled for this month. And so then after that, so I might get to 1 or 2 because there's no hard and fast rules, but I really want to get to the 10. Having the plan has I've just reaped such benefits from having a plan, you know, and also I want to get out my little Dress a Girl Around the World. I want to work on them. Right now, my serger and my machine are fully threaded out with black thread, and I've got about 6 black thread bobbins. So I'm kind of working in the black thread genre of my stash of things to work on. My couch of danger. Hold on, let me see if I can get you to see it. My couch of danger is still full with ideas of things that I want to sew and everything, but that's the best part about this time of the month, the very beginning. It starts off full and then little by little it empties. I do have quite a few scrap projects, but I don't know if I'll get to them. This is Friday and this is where I am. I think I will probably finish these 2. Oh no, hold on, where is that? I'll probably finish these 2 shirts sometime this evening because I do like to do a Friday night sew. So I think these 2 will be finished. I am still thinking over my Notorious B.I.G. T-shirt dress about what I want to do to it. I think the little skirt with the little pink in it is cute, but it's still kind of big and boxy. So I'm going to think about what I can do to change it. So I'm going to hang it up there. I've done a t-shirt. That was on one of my plans. And that's pretty much it about what's going on in the workshop. Looking forward to the next forum topic. I really like this communion with other sewers. If this didn't take too much time, I'll stick my plans in here, but I might have to do a separate video for that. But I hope things are going well for you. I hope this Friday's great. I hope you get to sew. It's so hard. I know how hard it is sometimes just to get to sew. And I'm so thankful for this time of my life. I'm glorying in it. Every day I have left that I get a chance to come into my sewing room that I stole from my brother and get to do some work. It's great. So I hope you're doing well. Keep making, and we'll see you soon.